My name is Petra Klein. I'm a professor in the School of Meteorology at the University of Oklahoma, and I typically teach our measurements class for the junior level in the fall, and then I often teach air quality management in the spring or micrometeorology. I'm originally from Germany. I was born in a small town with just 2,300 people in the southwest part of Germany between Heidelberg and Stuttgart. I got all my degrees from the University of Karlsruhe in Germany. I have a diploma in physics and a PhD in civil engineering. After my PhD, I was a postdoc for 2 years at ETH in Zurich, Switzerland, and then I moved to Norman, Oklahoma. I could have never imagined that I would ever live in Norman, Oklahoma. I actually didn't know a lot about Norman, Oklahoma before moving here. But my significant other, who is also a faculty member, got a position here. And after I finished my postdoc, I had the opportunity to teach air quality management in the engineering department. And 2 years later, I became a faculty member in the School of Meteorology. So my research focus is on urban meteorology and boundary layer meteorology. That means I study mostly small-scale processes, how weather and climate is influenced by buildings and cities. It's also how buildings and cities influence the dispersion of pollutants. My current research projects deal with the so-called low-level jet, a phenomenon in the nocturnal boundary layer where wind speed increases very quickly with height. It's very common in this part of the US, and we had a project related to the Pecan experiment. And then I also have a project that deals with wind energy, where we will take measurements next year in Portugal at a site that is fairly complicated and has 2 hills, and we are looking at how the topography influences wind resources for wind farms.